Hi, I'm Chappell and I'm the Cooking Instructions Project Lead at Leatherhead Food Research. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our state-of-the-art Cooking Instructions lab, which is 178 metres squared and covers the 3 kitchens behind me. Here at Leatherhead, we pride ourselves in delivering high-quality, UCAS-accredited cooking instructions testing. Our high standards are maintained by regularly calibrating, before-use checks and strict testing protocols. We are audited annually by UCAS to maintain our accreditation. Our team are trained on various cooking methods and work at designated workstations fitted with Specview. Let's start our tour at the fridges and freezers where we store our chilled and frozen samples. Within the kitchen we have 3 fridges and 3 freezers. These are used to store live products. Our fridges run between 3 and 5 degrees and our freezers run -18 and below. These are checked before use using Wi-Fi probes which are calibrated yearly. The balancers are a vital piece of equipment. The weight of a product can significantly affect how long it is cooked for. This is why we weigh all samples used for testing. We have 6 balancers throughout the kitchens, which are all checked before use and calibrated by an external UCAS approved company. Before we move on to our cooking equipment, I'll give you some insight to why validating cooking instructions is so important. Guidelines and regulations require major retailers to gain independent checks on their cooking instructions. Our rigorous testing ensures protocols are suitable and our products reach 70 degrees for 2 minutes. Consumers at home do not have thermometer probes, so independent validation of cooking instructions is vital. There are many ways to cook food. We'll start with our microwave ovens. Within the kitchen we have 21 microwave ovens. These are covered by a variety of power wattages. It is our second most popular service and in 2021 we conducted 3,095 tests. These are performance and safety checked every quarter to ensure a standardisation of the power output. Within the kitchens we have 4 gas hobs and 4 electric hobs. Our yearly calibrations and before use checks ensure a standardisation amongst the 2. This means that a high gas setting mirrors a higher electric setting. Our most popular service is the thermal oven. In 2021 we conducted 10,302 tests. We have 15 gas and 27 electric. The electric oven can also be used for the fan-assisted technique. These are calibrated every 4 years and set to a designated temperature, which is before use checked using Wi-Fi probes. Similar to the hobs, we have gas grills and electric grills. These are calibrated yearly and checked before use. The standardisation of our grills ensures that the gas temperature mirrors the electric temperature. Each of our 16 workstations is set up with Specview. Specview is a bespoke software that is used to collect and process post-cook temperature data. These are calibrated yearly and checked every 2 months. The checks are conducted at 0 degrees and 70 degrees. Like many bits of equipment within our cooking instructions kitchen, our deep fat fryers are calibrated yearly and checked before use. We have 2 types of deep fat fryer, domestic and commercial. To finish our tour, I'll explain the additional equipment that we have throughout the kitchen. These can be selected using our booking form. We have the air fryer, the slow cooker and the electric steamer. If you would like to make a booking or want any further information on what you've seen today, please do not hesitate to contact the team.